how to add money to Monzo Bank. Now there are many ways to add money to Monzo Bank, but in this video we're going to do it via the help of the mobile banking app. So you want to first of all make sure to download and log into the Monzo mobile banking application, and once you've done that, open it up and make sure that you're logged in. Right after you log in, here you'll see a couple of options, right? And right over here you can just select a certain account, or you can also tap on add money, but I will recommend you select a certain account. In this case I have selected my current account. So once I select my current account here, and if I want to add money to my account, all I have to do is just tap on the add money option that you'd be able to find here. As I tap on the add money option, I'll be able to choose from other banks if I want to transfer it, or if I want to deposit from a card or whatever else it is, and just like that I'll be able to add money to my Monzo account. So I hope this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.